Hey, 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 ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina Wright here, and I am your prosperity coach. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing awesome and amazing, just like myself. But guys, I wanted to come through really quick and share with you. They say, Sabrina, you are the master manifester. You manifest anything. Well, how do I manifest excellent credit? Well, you know what? I'm glad you asked. All right, go ahead and get you a pen and paper. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Because I'm about to share with you how you can manifest excellent credit. All right, so first of all, let's understand what manifesting is. All right, manifesting is not some magical stuff, some abracadabra stuff, right? You still have to put in some work. But manifestation is about doing things with ease. All right, doing things with ease, so it goes naturally and it flows and you're at peace. That's what manifestation is. Okay, so somebody say I manifested my car, that means they didn't have to go out and work 100 hours and save up for this long period of time and went through all of this stuff. Or if somebody say they manifested their husband, they didn't have to search high and low and go on a million dates. You know what I'm saying? So when you say you're manifested, then you're doing it with ease. All right. So I'm gonna show you how you can increase your credit scores and manifest excellent credit watching this video, guys. So I hope you got your pen and your paper. I need you to write this down. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to be able to write down what credit score do you want? What credit score that you feel like will make you happy? Is it a 750? Is it a 780? Is it an 800? Is it an 815? Is it an 850? Right? Identify what you want your credit score to be. Let's identify that first and foremost, okay? So, and whatever that number is, write it down. All right. And you're going to write it like this. I am so happy and grateful now that I have an 850 credit score. I'm so happy and grateful now I have a 750 credit score. I'm so happy and grateful now that I have a 815. Whatever your credit score is, friends, write it down. All right. I am so happy and grateful now that I have a 850 credit score. You want to write it in present tense, because what happens is every time you open up your credit, you say, how am I going to get this credit up? I'm tired of this credit score being this low. What am I going to do? I can't never get approved for nothing. I'm ready to open up my business. I'm ready to buy this house. I want to buy this car. You look at your credit score and you feel that way. So that's the first thing you got to stop doing too, right? So you're writing this down so that you can get it into your subconscious mind that I already have a 750, 850, whatever the credit score you want, write it down, okay? And how would you feel, now that you wrote down the credit score that you want, how would you feel when you open up Credit Karma, or you went on Experian.com or TransUnion or whatever? How would you feel opening up that account? How would it make you feel? I know seeing an 850 credit score will make me feel powerful. It'll make me feel like freedom. I can go out and do what I want to do. It'll make me, excited, right? That I can go get any type of house I want to get any type of car I want, right? It makes me feel qualified, right? When you don't have credit, you feel disqualified. You be scared to pick up the phone and ask. You be like, oh, I'm praying. You know what I'm saying? But when you know you got good credit, not only can you stand boldly in front of other human beings, but in the inside, you feel power, you feel free, you feel liberated. So get that feeling like, yes, I'm so happy and grateful now that I have an 850 credit score. Man, it feels good to be able to go into the BMW dealership and get that 650. Man, it feels good to go into the BMW dealership and get that X6. Man, it feels good to be going into, the Mercedes place, getting that 550, that Maybach Oh my God, yes, I'm so happy and grateful now that I can buy that $1 million home. I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm able to, travel all across the world and I have that black card, that American Express black card. I'm so happy and grateful now that I don't have to, worry about anything. I can go buy properties and I can just, make so many investments because of the credit that I have. And I'm able to use other people's money and earn 100% profit. I'm able to, go out here and do things that the average person cannot do. So I'm so thankful and grateful that I'm free. I'm so thankful and grateful that I have the car I want. I have the home I want. Thank you, God. Thank you. So now, just like it felt so good. Oh my God, I almost got stuck in the moment, guys. It feels so good when you do that. You are in that place that you want to be. So that is how you take yourself. So the second thing you want to do, the first thing you wanted to do, I got carried away, is you want to write it down what you want. Then the second thing you want to write down, you want to write it in present tense. The second thing you want to do is you want to say, how would I feel if the wish was already fulfilled? Then you want to take yourself to that place like I did. Get in a rant of all the feelings that you will feel. Get yourself there and stay there as long as you can. Just rant. And then when you get through ranting, you do what I did. You say, thank you, God. You thank him for it already in advance. You get up, you celebrate. Yes. Speak your affirmations. Put on that trap music or whatever you want to listen to. And just get excited about your life because it's about to happen for you. It happened while you were visualizing. It happened while you was visualizing. Because once you can visualize it in your mind, friend, that is creating it in the spirit. Think about Henry Ford before he created the car. He already could see the car driving. It made him feel good to know that we won't have to ride horses no more. So because he can think about it in his mind, all he had to do is get that picture in the physical realm that was in his mind. The Wright brothers who created the airplanes, we're able to fly because of the Wright brothers. They said, hold on, if birds got 2 wings, then you don't even need 2 wings to fly. An airplane does not need wings. That's not what holds the airplane up. But because the picture in their mind, they knew that birds had wings, they said, okay, well, planes must have to have wings. But friends, planes don't need wings to fly. That's not what keep a plane in the air. The wings on the plane do not keep the plane in the air. The plane can fly without wings. But because of the picture they had in their mind, they had to create a module of the visual that they could see in the spirit. And so if you want good credit, friends, you got to be able to see your credit scores in the spirit first. And then when you begin to send your dispute letters off, when you begin to, get paid, you will see yourself paying more down on your credit cards. You will see yourself using money more wisely. Because you have identified what you want and you have identified which way you want the universe to attract those things to you. So all you have to do now is just be open and receive. Stay in a happy and joyful. Don't let your kids piss you off. Don't let your husband piss you off. Don't let your job piss you off. You need to be happy and excited knowing that your credit good. You living the life that you've dreamed to live. Because every time you get pissed off and get all emotional, you stop the attraction and you start attracting something else. And so I'm going to get deep into that later on. But this stuff can get really powerful, but you got to know what you're doing. So to recap, once again, know what you want. What credit score do you want? Write it down. Write it down every single day. Every time you wake up in the morning, you need to be writing it down at least 50 times. I'm so happy and grateful now I have an 850 credit score. I'm so happy and grateful now I have an 850 credit score. I'm so happy and grateful now. Write it down. Make sure that you have the Myecon program so that you don't have to be out here searching for stuff. You got everything in a box. So if you need to earn money, you can earn money from Myecon. You need to fix your credit, you can fix your credit. You want to learn investment strategy, you can do that. You want to lower your taxes, you can do that. It's a financial education system. So because you're writing your affirmations, you want your credit to be good, then you need to have a system. So faith without works is dead, right? So now you got what you need. So now when you send your letters off, they're going to respond to you ASAP. Because the spirit has already went into Experian. The spirit has already went into TransUnion and Equifax. The spirit already is there dwelling, waiting on your letters so they can get right back to you with a positive response. But what happened, friends, we say, oh, I'm trying to fix my credit all jacked up, and I'm gonna send these letters. This shit ain't gonna work no way. It better work. Sabrina done sold me this Myecon. It better work. I don't know how long. I hope it don't take all day. When you do stuff in that type of spirit, you get a jacked up result. So be careful the spirit that you are in when you're trying to fix your credit, when you're trying to go get a vehicle, when you're trying to manifest, period, when you're trying to get a husband, whatever you're trying to manifest, make sure that your spirit is together, because you are attracting to you the spirit that you are in. That is why I tell you to get the feeling of it already fulfilled, because that'll put you in a good mood. You in a bad mood because you don't have that what you want. So you pissed off at the world. But you got to get in the feeling that it's already done, so your spirit is intact. So when you go out here in the world, all you see is beauty and love, and you are happy that your credit is good. You buying the house you want to buy. You got credit cards with money on them, and not just in your wallet, right? You can book a vacation if you want to. You can go get your hair done if you want to. You can go buy some new clothes if you want to. You can go out here and invest in whatever business if you want to. It's your choice, because your credit is good and ain't nothing stopping you. So when you feel that good, who gonna piss you off? Who can piss you off when you out here having your way in this world? Nobody, baby. Okay? So, guys, my name is Sabrina Wright. Click the link at the bottom of this video. Get the Myecon system. Get your credit together. Learn these investment strategies. Learn how to manifest. So when you manifest, you're doing it with ease. You're just going with the flow. All right? So that's what I mean by you deserve to win. Work with the law and not against the law. You deserve to win, baby. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Share this video with your friends so they can manifest their dreams. You deserve to win, friends. Bye-bye.